Guys, budget has delivered. Markets are rallying. Your top budget trainer.
I would go with M&M Finance. That is one stock which has broken out. It's a rural play. The stock has been doing well for the last few days, as well as shaping up for a longer-term breakout. And it's a outperforming stock after a really long time. It's been an underperformer for long, and now for the last few months, it has been an outperformer stock. Expected to go towards 260 to 280 in the short term, and much more higher in the medium term.
Okay, how would you rate the budget on 10 from a market standpoint?
So from the market standpoint, if I would to look at it, it is neutral to positive.
Okay.
The market reaction tells you it is up
But it
100
gave us
to...
everything we wanted to hear.
Absolutely. The markets are waiting for... So I would look at it in perspective of how much does the market pump
7
up.
on 10?
Would be closer to 8 on 10.
8 on 10, Kunal, you?
Yeah, I think very similar rate on 10. It's neutral, so nothing on the capital gains tax, STT, etc. So that was positive.
We are ready to pop the bubbly and you guys are saying neutral.
So I think it's been a good. The reaction for the market itself tells you that
also,
the markets have taken this with a very positive stride.
And your budget trade?
So I'll go with the banking trade over here, and I think ICICI Bank is something which is popping up quite strongly. So it's the leadership quality which is coming back for ICICI Bank. That's the standout feature. So that's a buy. I would probably place a target of 920 and stop loss of 820.
What more could we have asked for, Sanjeev Bhasin? Your views on the budget, how would you rate it on 10?
11 on 10.
11 on 10.
And all this pessimism where the profit taking is because of the Fed and the pivot. You couldn't have asked for more. I mean, let's not be greedy. We were just asking for small mercies. You got everything on a platter. As far as capital gains, as far as spending for the middle end. Awan, the last budget was for the high end when it was PLI. You had food insurance for the lower end. This is all about MSME. MSME means banking, growth and consumption. You got a relief for all types of tax brackets. You couldn't have asked. And no tinkering.
Capex push.
Capex push. 7.5 has become 10.
Yeah.
So I think markets are going to take a day or so. Next week onwards, 18,500 is on the card.
Yes.
18,500 के ऊपर.
Yeah, 18,000 now looks to be a...
We're already at almost 18,000.
No, we are 17,700 now back.
Oh, we're back at 17,000.
Looking at 18,000, 18,200.
18,500, 18,000, 18,000,
200.
200, 18,200, 18,000, 18,500 plus.
But the range has moved high.
Range has moved high.